all protocols observed. There are many instances in the Bible where those who were called, set apart, and appointed by God highlighted or made known their unworthiness, reservation, limitation, and how inadequate they felt regarding God's call upon their lives. And sisters and brothers here assembled, I feel no different. God remains in charge of our lives. And choir from Pinal, He knows our destiny. Many persons have impacted upon my life in positive ways. Mention must be made of my parents, my brothers and sisters. Some are viewing together with so many other persons. Our parents are no longer with us, but as a family, we are well united. And as children, we have benefited from their devotion, the prayer which they offered on our behalf, their love and care which they transmitted to us. My siblings and their families, and today, my dear sisters and brothers, we lift our sister who has not been well for the past years. We lift her in prayer. I was instructed not to move away from my script. But special thanks to my wife, Calpurnia, and our daughter, Maya, my uncles and aunts, colleagues in ministry, and friends wherever I go, wherever I am appointed. I meet fathers and mothers, brothers and sisters, sons and daughters within the faith community. I thank you for your love, your care, and your support. Those who assembled within the hallowed walls of this church, you have supported us in so many ways in our charitable work, our outreach work, and even people who reside abroad continue to contribute. We expressed our gratitude. And members, you know who you are. And Reverend Dale, it wouldn't stop. The work for God's people, wherever they are, that work will continue. Today we have entered into a covenant relationship with God to care for all of God's people and to continue the mission which God has entrusted to us. And what is that mission? That mission was well articulated by Reverend Dale, to care for all of God's people. And where should we begin? In our home. Let us start our mission within the confines of our home. It is said that the mission of the church is to bring new life and announce the living presence of God in our place, that is, in our home. Friends, I challenge you here assembled. I know, Reverend Dale, it is not a one-man show, nor a one-woman. But there are 4 areas, and my sisters from the Anglican Church are here. I join with you all as well. There are 4 areas of ministry that require our attention as we embarked upon the shepherd's model of leadership. The need exists today for in-depth pastoral care, where emphasis would be placed upon those who are on the margin or fringes of society. Point 2. There is the need for leaders to be empowered with the resources needed so that we will empower others. In other words, we need caring pastors. I will forever be Pastor Chance. The people from Rio Claro, from Faizabad, from Claxton Bay, from Point 14, Nariva Miaro, you call me Pastor Chance Tablan, I will remain Pastor Chance. We need to care for our people. Only yesterday, we heard of care frontation, where, as God's people, we must care for all in a loving and in a kind way. Thirdly, there must be a place for everyone within the community of believers, where all our members would feel that sense of belonging, where needs are made known, and where those needs are met. The church must continue to reflect and make real the love and compassion of Christ.